Hi, my name is Danning, and we're doing a project called "Step Into My Shoe." The concept for it is pretty much basically based off the saying of put yourself in my shoe, or put yourself in my position. How are we able to kind of step into some other creature or other being's position, and how to interact and how to be them, but using ourselves as a kind of like a communication tool. Our project uses the Microsoft Kinect camera, which tracks the user's skeleton. It pretty much captures the image of the user and maps a general skeleton, which represents your arms, your elbows, your shoulders, etc. And we use that and kind of use the data that it gives to put it onto Max MSP, and then use that for sound processing, as well as send it to a game program, game developers program called Game Maker, which does all the animations and some slight physics to it. Based off our own testing and some of our user testings as well, we found out that the Kinect camera is a really interesting device to use, mainly because the Kinect camera uses an infrared lights to track the user. Some materials that it shoots on does not go really well with our own body heat. The second problem that we've encountered with Kinect is the sensitivity of tracking each individual joints on the screen.
I feel that the Kinect is fun. It feels like I'm controlling another form of myself on the screen, but it's a little erratic. It could be a little more stabilized, and then it would feel more like it was my movement. I feel like it could be a little smoother. It seems that the movement isn't being picked up accurately. I really liked having a virtual self on the screen and being able to control it and interact with the environment.
The discontinuities that I found with this project was that I would try to do some exaggerated motions, and I would move my arms, but then the skeleton on the screen right there doesn't react towards it. I really liked how it gave the embodiment that you were flying, kind of thing. So it made you feel very light.
I thought it was cool trying to make him match my movements, but then when he didn't and he started making all these weird gestures, that I found myself trying to match his movements, which I thought was kind of interesting. It seemed to work pretty well to me. I was able to get it to copy my flying motions really well, and then it was cool. Sometimes it copied me, and then when I started to do some really crazy things, it would sort of say, no, I decided I don't want to do that, I want to do this instead. So it kind of seemed like it was a back and forth sort of conversation.
Hopefully, we were able to find out other ways to track, and we'll just move on from there. So thank you very much for watching this documentary. It was a long, hard, agonizing journey, but I think we learned a lot from this project, and it's time to move on.